Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a great opportunity here. There is a good news here. So Airtel is going to hire graduates of 19, 20 and 21 for a package of 17.5 lakhs per annum. Yes, you heard it correctly. So the package will be 17.5 lakhs per annum. So friends, this link will be given in the description. So once you'll click on this link, then you will be redirected to this particular page where you will see the hiring details. So friends, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so that you don't miss any kind of opportunity. And friends, watch the video till the end because I'm going to tell how to apply the eligibility criteria and all other details. So friends, the exam will be for 2 hours and 30 minutes and the exam starts on April 2nd, 10:30 p.m. and it will be closing on April 4th, 1:25 p.m. So you can take any slots in between that and you can write the examination. So before we click on register, we will also we see what all eligibility criteria and who all will be able to apply for that. Okay, so Airtel I code online participation is confidential. So ready to build the future of digital. So friends, we know Airtel is one of the leading uh, networking company, right? Okay, so eligibility criteria, friends. So if you have completed your graduation in 19, 20 and 21, then you are eligible to apply for this particular job, but there is one terms and condition. So only BE, BTech, CS, IT branches will be applicable to write this exam. So if you are from electrical, electronics, mechanical, any other branches, then you cannot register for this exam and you cannot write this particular exam. So friends, challenge format is very simple. So there will be two programming questions which will be based on data structure or algorithms. Okay, you will require a webcam to be able to take the test. Please have a functional webcam enabled and grant access to the pop-up on the browser. The main important and interesting point for which most of you will be applying is the package of 14.75 to 17.5 lakhs per annum. The location will be Gurgaon and openings is 25. So you might be one of the lucky person out of this 25. Okay, about the role. So friends, they want very much well, building and maintenance of high quality software applications and cater superior experience to our customer at a scale. So everybody, each companies will write this. Key responsibilities will be also same as other companies. Skills required. So you should be proficient in at least one of the object oriented programming language. That means OOPS concepts such as Java, Python, Ruby, knowledge of non SQL database technology, caching data store. Okay, and then proficiency in computer science fundamental. Again, OOPS concept is very much required. Data structure algorithm and excellent problem solving skills, good with the design patterns and architecture solutions to large scale applications. So you are an ideal fit if you have teamwork and collaboration. Yes, this all those things everybody is having. Now the other important part is how to register. So click on register, then you have choice of sign up with Facebook, sign up with GitHub and sign up with Google. So Gmail everybody will be having, so you can log in with Gmail. Okay, and now again you click on register because already you have logged in through your Gmail. Then this page will open and gender, okay, and current location you can put friends whatever you want. Okay, I mean you have to fill the exact things. Okay, I'm just filling the random contact numbers. Okay, and then institute, it has come down. So this is MSRAT degree, anything you can just select. Stream. Okay, so here you have to select BE. Okay, so you can see BE and then your stream will be com. Okay, so I will select something and then year of graduation. So definitely it should be 19, 20 or 21. CGPA, I'll put 9.6. College name. Okay, graduation year. So if you're from 19, 20, 21, then only you will be able to apply. Okay, and something if you do not have like current or last job title, so you mention NA if not applicable, stream or specialization, CSE. Okay, and are you interested in working with Airtel? If you'll give so much of package, definitely anybody will be interested, right? Okay, and then you can select your resume from here. So once you select the resume, then register for the challenge. Okay, so contact number you have to give in this format. So 91. Okay, I think it should be fine now. So if there will be any error, then you will be able to see. Okay, now, okay, so the resume is not yet uploaded. So I will do it again. So this all these problems, most of the students will be getting, and then they will be putting in the comment. So that is the reason I'm filling in front of you. So great, you have been registered for the challenge. Now tell your friends about that. Very good. Okay, so successfully registered, and then you can see you will be able to write the exam in April 3rd and 4th. So thank you friends for watching the video, and please do subscribe so that you do not miss any kind of opportunities, right?